doesn't like to get his hands dirty. Oh, good.
What's this? It's a picture that you painted.
What?
That's what you painted.
Okay.
You did, yes. You painted it. What's this? A circle. Circle. No, the other end. What's this? What is it? You tell Mimi what it is.
Good job.
What's this?
No.
I don't know.
It's a beautiful picture, baby. Beautiful.
Say, look.
Yes. Say cheese. It's a beautiful picture. Beautiful. Okay, let's get the paintbrush off the couch. Okay. Good job. I'll take it. Okay, thank you. Good job. Good job. It's beautiful. Mommy likes it very much. You're a artiste.